Today, we are going to be taking a quick look at the top 3 most common mistakes that sellers make. And make sure to stay till the end of this video because we're going to add one which is all about product differentiation and the things that nobody seems to be talking about right now. And before we continue, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so number 1, product inventory management. The name of the game is staying in stock on Amazon. If you don't stay in stock, you run out, Amazon is not going to take you seriously. So when you run out of stock, especially in the beginning as a new seller, Amazon is going to punish you. One punishment, for example, is when you get stock back in, it's going to take a little bit more time and a little bit more proof to Amazon that you're a serious seller. And so you might feel like you're moving a little bit slower. Even as you're driving sales, your keyword rank might still be a little bit slow and a little bit weak. If you use ZonGuru already, make sure to connect your MWS account so that you know when you're running low on stock exactly how long it's going to take to receive new stock from your supplier. That way, you can just always make sure that your inventory is in the Amazon warehouse at the right time. Number 2, paying for reviews or anything black hat related, whether that be using a launch service, using Facebook groups to try to sell your product at a discounted rate, really anything that Amazon feels is trying to game the system or tilt the scale in your favor against your competitors is a no-go. And so you need to follow the rules. If you don't, it's a very quick way to get your account suspended. Make sure you follow the rules, stay on top of Amazon's terms of service so that you always play it safe. We are devoted to Amazon news and industry tips and tricks, so make sure to follow us on Facebook if you don't already, so that you always stay in the loop. Number 3, inconsistent branding. You as a business owner are creating a real, breathing, live business, so you need to treat it like one. You as a seller are like the CEO of Nike, so you need to treat your business like that. You don't ever see Nike flip their logo or have it be a different color or have it be off-brand. You would think that looks funny and strange, and you would start to take that brand less seriously. So what are some things that pro-level sellers do to prove to their audience that they are a legitimate big brand? Well, they do things like create websites and potentially provide a platform for their customers to purchase and engage with their brand on their own website. They create social media pages that have a clear identity and vision, improve their SEO optimization so they're easy to find and you can search for them on Google and they'll appear right away. These are all things to help you build a relationship with your customers, so focus on trying to do that in whatever way you can. We're going to look at one product differentiation tip that people don't seem to be talking about. And again, guys, if you don't follow us on Instagram already, you need to do that because every single one of our posts every day is all about ideas and inspirations for great products that we found on Amazon. Product differentiation does not equal a copycat product. You are not doing everything that your competitors are doing to make your product different. That's not being different, that's just copying. You want to try to identify a key visual or functional differentiation, whether it's actually within the product or creating a connection through your branding and your brand identity to make it so that you stand out in relation to your customers. You have to be able to confidently have an answer to the question, why would my customers choose my product over my competition? Are you providing everything else that your competitors do? That's probably not compelling enough. We have something very exciting that we're going to be announcing in the next couple weeks. We're still fine-tuning it and tweaking it, but it is a massive guide to product differentiation and hot against not products, and we're really excited to release it. We just have a few more products that we want to add, a few more points that we want to add to the ebook, and it's going to be really, really big. So stay tuned. Thanks so much for tuning in. We covered a lot here. 4 key tips. Don't do anything black hat. Stay in stock, guys. That's the name of the game. You run out of stock on Amazon, they're not going to take you seriously. Consistent branding. You have to make sure that you come across to your customers as a big, important brand. And number 4, product differentiation. Without copying your competitors, you want to come up with unique, original ideas that set you apart from your competition. If you want to read more about common mistakes that new sellers make, go ahead and check out our blog post devoted to it. It's just top 10 common mistakes, and you can find it below. Make sure to follow us. Follow us right here. We got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, do it. Awesome. Thank you, guys. We're going to see you next week. We have some more content coming your way. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.